Is there anyone in here with us? What's your name? K2 activity. Can you like that? Oh shit! What was that? Is there anybody here that wants to talk to us on this radio? If there is, can you say my name? Did you hear that?
In your butt?
Stick a penny in your butt for good luck.
That's a new one.
Yes. So now we get to the boredom and delirium. Have a penny in my pocket if you need one.
This is the blooper section.
Out. He's just sitting there looking in the window.
Is it? Can you see it?
He's right there. Did you hear that? Keep hearing some whispery, raspy sound in there.
Why is he sitting in the window like that?
This must not be the main one. Where's the other one? Right outside the window. Ma'am, are you there? Yeah. Okay. What are you doing?
I was praying.
Thank God somebody's praying for us. Oh dear. This floor makes me feel drunk because
I know, it's
like,
like,
I'm like,
it's like a fun
like
house floor.
I know, I'm skiing. The hell was that? That's kind of creepy. Joe, are you watching? Joe, are you there?
Whoa.
Okay.
It was just for Joe.
Oh, there's a cow. Oh, that monkey's a monkey love.
He fell out of the tree.
He just attacked me. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. Vicious.
He jumped right on my head.
Be careful in there. That floor looks like it's very, very unsturdy.
I know, he told me. Okay, the monkey doesn't want to go back up. Somebody has a monkey fetish. Can somebody do something?
Stop on the floor.
Knock on something. Push something, knock it over, touch one of us. Say something. I heard that. There's a man talking in my ear. Were you in the Civil War? Are you a slave here? There's footsteps behind you. Were you one of the members of the Dean family?
How many are here?
Did you hear that? Came out of that baby monitor. Did you hear it?
I couldn't make it out.
It said 4. Ooh, did you hear
I
that?
heard that.
Check this
I
out.
see it.
You're staying right with me, aren't you? Thank you. Back away. I want you to come with me. Look at that. Keep coming with me. Thank you. Keep coming. Thank you. Stay with me. All the way in red. Whoa.
Wow.
Don't leave me. Come with me. If you guys don't talk to us on this radio, I'm going to turn it off. Did he just say turn it off? Yes.
Like so.
I think you're being a smartass now. He said, yep. We're getting ready to leave. Why don't you make a loud noise for us on the way out? Woohoo! Is there anyone in here with us?
What's your name?
K2 activity. Can you like that?
Oh shit! What was that? The hell?
What the hell happened?
Something I was just besides the chair.
Did you hear that?
That wasn't.
What
That was loud.
fuck?
There's nothing over there out of place.
No? Doesn't look like it.
Just a chair. Wow.
It's a pretty heavy chair too.
That was crazy.
That was wild.
Shit, man.
What the hell?
And weren't we fixing to leave or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess it wants us to stay.
Now it decides to show itself. Yeah, now after, what, 8 hours?
Yeah.
Nothing happened. I was supposed to say, did we leave the light on out there, but we did.
Yeah. I think we need to pack it up and get the hell out of here.
Yeah, before something gets thrown at us.
Exactly.
For real. Okay, we're gonna say goodnight now.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Okay, that's it. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.